Imagine needing machine guns to fight birds and still losing. Picture this. It's Australia after World War I. Farmers are struggling and suddenly tens of thousands of emus, huge flightless birds, start migrating right through their wheat fields, devouring everything. The farmers pleaded for help, so the military actually sent soldiers armed with machine guns. Sounds like an easy win, right? Wrong, these emus were tactical geniuses. Apparently they'd scatter dodging bullets, zigzagging unpredictably. The soldiers used thousands of rounds of ammunition, but barely made a dent. The feathered opponents proved too fast, too smart, too chaotic. After weeks of frustration and public ridicule, the military withdrew. The emus basically won the war. It's one of history's most bizarre conflicts where nature hilariously outsmarted firepower. Who knew birds could be such tough adversaries? Know any other wild history moments? Tell us below and follow for more weird tales.